take a look at Maharashtra, the battleground ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. What is happening is that the Maha Vikas Aghadi in Maharashtra is facing another blow, where the alliance, which comprises of Congress, Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray faction and Sharad Pawar's NCP, is facing a Mahayuti alliance of the BJP, Ajit Pawar's NCP and Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. Amidst the seat-sharing talks, the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction has released its first list of 17 candidates. It has upset the NCP and the Congress, who are part of the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance. The NCP workers held protest today after the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray declared their candidate from Mumbai Northeast Lok Sabha constituency, which is a seat on which the NCP has a strong hold. On the other hand, the Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam, who was looking to contest the Mumbai Northwest seat, has given an ultimatum after Shiv Sena fielded its candidate from the seat. Sanjay Nirupam asked for intervention of the Congress leaders, and if not, then break the alliance to save the party. He said that the decision of an alliance will only prove self-destructive for the Congress. Meanwhile, in yet another blow, the Prakash Ambedkar has decided to quit the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance after failing to reach a consensus over seat sharing. Now the question arises, will the Maha Vikas Aghadi be able to figure out a seat sharing plan, or will the alliance break ahead of the Lok Sabha polls? Joining me on the telecast is Vrushali. Vrushali, shed more light. The biggest setback for Maha Vikas Aghadi right now, that Prakash Ambedkar and his party have decided to move away from the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance.
Well, let me tell you, Prakash Ambedkar has been saying this, the fact that if talks really don't go further on the same, he has been saying that Prakash Ambedkar and rest of the MV alliance partner are not on the same page. He made it quite clear during the Rahul Gandhi's rally also, whether together or independently, but we'll have to fight against the BJP. So he was a little bit sure that, if he didn't get the number of seats, he has to, take his call, and he has taken a call. He will be fighting independently, but this is the biggest setback for MVA, because the vote share will definitely hamper them as far as the election is concerned, because Prakash Ambedkar's Vanchit Aghadi do have a lot of impact in a section of society, and that is something which was needed at this point of time for MVA to gain or to come in power. But this is considered as the biggest setback, that finally Prakash Ambedkar has taken a call to contest this election independently. And of course, the attitude of Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray is something like that, which has upset Congress as well. This is not a first time where Congress openly came out and said, we have seen the many senior leaders from Congress saying that this is not a way when we are in alliance. Uddhav Thackeray comes up one fine morning and, come out with a list when it is not yet decided that which party will contest on how many seats. So the number game is not yet finalized, but despite of that, Uddhav Thackeray has not just once, but this is the third time when he has openly announced his candidature, and this is something goes against with the alliance rule.
Okay, if you could also tell us, Vrushali, about why is there a tiff amongst the Maha Vikas Aghadi members, the party leaders, with regards to the candidate that has been fielded by Uddhav Thackeray faction in the Mumbai Northeast constituency?
Well, on the Mumbai North West constituency, Gajanan Kirtikar, who is the sitting MP currently with Shinde faction, his son Amol Kirtikar has decided to remain with Uddhav Thackeray, and Uddhav Thackeray has given the candidature this time for Northwest, and this is something which is really came out as a trigger point for Congress, because Congress Sanjay Nirupam was trying hard for this particular seat, and he has been telling us that till the final list is not yet come out, I will not comment on this. But the kind of gesture that Uddhav Thackeray has been showing again and again, this is completely goes against the alliance rule, and this is not done.
Right.
So there is a large possibility that Sanjay Nirupam might join Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde if the seat goes to Shiv Sena, and if not, then of course the BJP. So his options are open, and if that also didn't work out, then there is a large possibility that Nirupam will contest independently, particularly this seat.
Okay, all right. Interesting developments. Is there going to be another split, or is there going to be another leader from the Maha Vikas Aghadi that will jump ship and join the Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra? We'll have to wait and watch and keep tracking those developments. But listening right now to Sanjay Nirupam about what he has said about the NCP and the Congress alliance.
अगर बाला साहब थोराट जी खुद नेगोशिएशन करने वाली टीम के एक सदस्य थे और अगर वो कह रहे हैं रीथिंक करना चाहिए, मतलब उनकी बात भी नहीं सुनी गई, तो जो नेगोशिएशन करने वाली जो टीम थी, जब उनकी ही बात नहीं सुनी गई है तो निश्चित तौर पर हम सब फेल हो गए। तो मैं भी यही कह रहा हूं कि शिवसेना को इतना एक्सट्रीम स्टैंड नहीं लेना चाहिए। इससे कांग्रेस का जबरदस्त नुकसान है और कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं कि आप अभी भी इंटरवीन करिए, नहीं तो अलायंस तोड़िए। अगर पार्टी को बचाना है तो अलायंस तोड़िए और मैदान में उतरिए।
Now we also have a reaction coming in from the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray spokesperson Anand Dubey on Prakash Ambedkar, who has decided to quit the alliance.
पहले दिन से जब से तय हुई है तब से हमने वंचित बहुजन आघाड़ी को साथ में लेकर काम करने का फैसला लिया हुआ था। हर बैठक में प्रकाश अंबेडकर जी या उनका कोई प्रतिनिधि आता था। महाविकास आघाड़ी की जो रैली मुंबई के छत्रपति शिवाजी पार्क मैदान में हुई, इसमें प्रकाश अंबेडकर जी ने भाषण भी दिया। यहां तक तो सब ठीक चल रहा था, लेकिन आज जिस प्रकार उन्होंने 9 उम्मीदवारों की घोषणा की है, इससे प्रतीत हो रहा है कि उन्होंने पीछे दरवाजे से कहीं बीजेपी की मदद करने का फैसला तो नहीं लिया है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बी टीम बनकर काम करने का फैसला तो नहीं लिया है। ये हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, ये प्रश्न चिन्ह राज्य की जनता उनके ऊपर खड़ा कर रही है। क्योंकि यदि आपका उद्देश्य भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराना है, हमारा उद्देश्य भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराना है, तो हम अलग अलग क्यों लड़ रहे हैं? क्यों वोटों का विभाजन हो रहा है? क्यों हम कमजोर हो रहे हैं? आपने ये कहा था कि हम बीजेपी को हराने के लिए आपका साथ देंगे, और आज अचानक आप मनोज जरांगे पाटिल से युति कर रहे हैं। कब आपकी बैठकें हो गई, कब आपकी बातचीत हो गई? आपने न तो कभी महाविकास आघाड़ी से इसके बारे में कोई जिक्र किया, न तो कोई चर्चा की। तो आपकी कथनी और करनी में अंतर दिख रहा है। हम तो शुरू से चाह रहे थे कि आप हमारे साथ आए। हम बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर जी को मानने वाले लोग हैं, आप उनके परिवार से आते हैं, आप कैसे परिवारवाद का आरोप लगा सकते हैं? तो हम समझते हैं कि आपने एक जानबूझकर हमको उलझाए रखा। ये आप पहले कह देते कि आपको अलग से लड़ना है, हम स्वागत करते हैं आपके अलग से लड़ने का। लेकिन जब सारी बैठकें हो गई, जब अब कुछ ही दिन बचे हैं चुनाव में, आपने अचानक यह फैसला लिया। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, आपसे ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। हम जाकर गांव-गांव दलित समाज को, वंचित समाज को बताएंगे कि उनके ऊपर आपने कितना बड़ा अन्याय किया।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.